Hi everybody, it's me again. It's Yvonne. How are you guys doing? I want to show you something that was not intentionally made to do a video on, but once I finished and I saw how simple it was, it's so adorable to me, I thought I'd have to share it with you. If any of you have a box similar to this, I had an empty box from Paper Pumpkin, and I needed something to put some embellishments, some things that I've made for a dear friend of mine. But I didn't want to send her an orange pumpkin box with nothing in, well, with the things that I've done. So what I did is I repurposed it. And I'll tell you how simple it was. I took some paper from Die Cut with a View, here, Vintage Memories. I just randomly took some paper inside, and this is such a beautiful pack if you like vintage. It's just absolutely gorgeous, from everything from making a card, making a box, to making, it's just too adorable not to have, for me anyway. And it even shows you some example up here that you can make. But this here, anyway, it's a double-sided cardstock. You get 10 sheets with treatments, which means that you have cut aparts and so forth that you can use. And I used different kind. I glued one piece in the back. I glued the alphabet on the sides, and I just love the way it turned out. I added some pieces inside going around here, and I just glued them on, but I left the box as is. And inside I just added some Tim Holt tissue paper with my little goodies for my friend, and it just closes perfectly. I know it will not get damaged, and it'll become a keepsake for her to keep if she wishes, or repurpose it as a keepsake. See how nice and tight it holds? It's really simple. I just covered it like I'd wrap a gift. And the only thing I did different is I put some tape here on the side, just to make sure to reinforce the side so it wouldn't pop open. The paper wouldn't come up. And then I just took some dollar store ribbon, tissue ribbon that I always have handy here. Yeah, there's a roll right there. It took almost a full roll. There is this much left out of the whole roll. And I went around here, and I obviously, for the cover to open up, I just put one full slit. What I did with the cover here is I took my good old crocodile, made a hole, and I put a grommet. Wouldn't have to, but I did, because I was kind of winging it as I went along. I wasn't sure what I was going to end up doing. But then I wanted her to realize where the pull was, so she wouldn't tear all the box apart. Because have you ever done that? Oh, I have. You don't know where to open it, and you're going around in circles trying to figure it out. And this box closes so snugly. I just wanted to give her an idea where it was. Anyhow, what I did is I put a brad, just chose random brad out of my box, and added a brad onto a piece of that lace that I just showed you. And all I did at the end of the lace is, I have to rephrase that. I took a piece of lace like this. There's my box, right here. Another piece of dollar store lace. And all I did was wrap the ends like 3 times, so it would give her a little bit of an edge here to pull on. And I ran the gadget right here, right through the grommet and hole, and there you go. She has herself a little pull, so she'll know if she pulls that, it's going to open it up. There. Then I kind of wanted to dress it up, but I don't want, it's big enough to mail, as we are in Canada, so you know, it's so much expensive to mail. That's being polite. But anyway, all I did here is added some beautiful doilies that I was gifted a while back in a swap, and these are some that I have, some that were gifted to me. And in order for it to match, I just took my soft suede from Stampin' Up, and a dauber, and I just edged all the side of the box, and I edged the doilies because I wanted the doilies to look old. I didn't want them to be nice and crisp. I did that all the way going around the box, as you can tell. And then I have these box of frames I've had for years and years. Don't know where half of them come from. Some of them come from actual drawers that I took apart. I just randomly grabbed one, added a couple of rhinestones in order to match the brad in the front, and I glued it on 3 sides. So this side here, and then I just typed out her name, put it on there. But if she wants to if she would like to repurpose it, she has a little card in the back that she can add whatever she wants, because this is the way it can look. But I just typed out her name with an old type font that I have, and I added it on her name, and just added as an addition to that previous cardstock, although this is just paper, like so. I know my girlfriend Virginia is going to love this. She just has a wonderful soul and a great person. So this is off to Ontario. She doesn't want to watch YouTube videos, so I know she's not going to see this. But this is going off to her, but I had to share it with you guys because I think it makes such a nice solid box. And I hope she enjoys it as much as I did making it. I wanted to share this quick video. If you want more instructions on it, how I made it, let me know. I've got another box. I can make another one for you. Have a great day, folks. This is Yvonne, and I'm signing off for now.